Have you ever paused to wonder what your cat truly wants from you? Not the crunchy treats, not the shiny toys, not even the comfy spot on your lap. There's something quieter, more sacred that they crave from you every single day. Because cats don't express love with flowers or words. They speak through patterns, silence, and tiny rituals of trust. Hidden gestures that build emotional safety so deep it can last an entire lifetime. Today, we're stepping into that secret language. The 7 acts of love your cat silently hopes you'll understand. Acts that speak straight to their heart and heal yours in return. Act 1. The morning connection. When the first light slips through your curtains and your cat taps your face at dawn, it's more than a wake-up call. It's an ancient check-in, their version of, "Are you still here?" In wild colonies, cats perform early morning contact calls to make sure their group made it through the night. When your cat pads over and meets your eyes, they're saying, "We made it." Acknowledging that moment with a whisper, a soft smile, a slow blink changes their entire emotional chemistry. Behavioral researchers found cats who get that morning recognition display more affectionate behavior and lower anxiety for the rest of the day. So, next time they greet the sunrise with a gentle meow, greet them back. It's not about breakfast, it's about belonging. Act 2. The pause that builds loyalty. One of the biggest misunderstandings between cats and humans hides inside a single second. The second, you don't touch them. Every cat has a petting threshold. A moment when pleasure transforms into overwhelm. Their tail flicks, muscles ripple, pupils dilate. And that's when your reaction matters most. When you pause instead of pushing, your cat's brain releases calming chemicals, particularly GABA, the neurotransmitter of safety. They learn that you notice their boundaries, you respect their choices, and that emotional understanding becomes trust at a biological level. Next time you're mid-cuddle, read their body language like poetry, because the love you show by stopping often speaks louder than continuing. Act 3. The sacred touch. Your cat's body is a map of trust zones, and most owners only explore a few basic places: the chin, behind the ears, but the most emotionally powerful spot? It's the space between the eyes and the sides of the face, where a mother cat once groomed her kittens. When you stroke gently there, using slow, circular motions, your fingers echo that maternal rhythm. It awakens pheromones that tell your cat they're safe, protected, and deeply loved. Over time, your scent fuses into their emotional memory. You stop being just the human who feeds me, you become the scent of peace, their living source of comfort. Touch, when done in stillness, becomes language, and your fingertips turn into the sanctuary they seek. Act 4. The goodbye that says you'll return. Every departure feels much bigger to your cat than it does to you. They notice the routine, the sound of keys, the shoes, the bag, and their body braces for uncertainty. Studies show cats experience anticipatory stress before owners leave. Their heart rate rises and their brain enters a waiting mode, alert, uneasy, unsure how long you'll be gone. But there's a simple way to rewrite that entire experience. Give them a goodbye ritual. A phrase like, "back soon," a small snack in a favorite dish, or a single designated toy that appears only when you leave. Over a few weeks, your cat begins to associate that ritual with calm. They realize, this means my person always comes back. It's not just training, it's emotional reassurance encoded in repetition. You turn absence into peace, and that's one of the purest forms of love a cat can recognize. Act 5. The voice that heals. Your voice is more powerful than you think. Cats don't just hear words, they interpret emotional frequency. Japanese studies show that when cats regularly hear their humans speak softly and rhythmically, their auditory cortex actually becomes more active and dense. meaning their brain tunes itself towards your voice. So speak often. Narrate what you're doing. Call them by name. Say, "You're safe. You're loved. You make my heart happy." To you, these are just small sentences. To them, they're music, a melody that defines home. When you include your cat in your emotional space through gentle words, you're creating a living sound frequency of comfort. And even silence starts to vibrate with connection. Act 6. The quiet watch. There's a special kind of love that doesn't need action or affection, only stillness. When your cat falls ill, feels weak, or seems withdrawn, your first impulse might be to cuddle them nonstop. But what they often need most is simply your company. Nearby, quiet, calm. In the wild, a cat recovering from illness stays close to its group, but at a respectful distance, just enough to feel protected. Sitting a few feet away, reading, breathing, or meditating lets them rest beneath your emotional shelter. Veterinary studies show that cats recover faster under the influence of calm, nearby human presence. Stress hormones drop, heart rate steadies, and immune response strengthens. You don't have to do anything. Just be. Love doesn't always touch. Sometimes it just purrs back. Act 7. The final gift. One day, that same cat who once climbed curtains and chased dust models will grow old. Their steps will slow, their meows will soften, and they'll spend longer hours watching you quietly from the window. When that time comes, love changes form. They'll stay for you, longer than their body wants, because cats feel your emotional pull. Veterinary data shows that elderly cats who are spoken to softly and reassured in their final days show steadier breathing and longer comfort periods. A gentle, "You were good," a whisper of, "It's okay to rest now," tells them that their story can conclude in peace. And even when they're gone, they don't really go. Their scent lingers on your couch, their paw prints stay in your memories, their rhythms echo in your heartbeat. Because true connection doesn't end, it transforms. Every cat writes their love story through the small choices you make, in your pauses, your words, and your silences. They remember. So the next time you greet them at sunrise, stroke their face, or whisper in the quiet, remember, you're speaking the world's oldest language, the language of trust. If this helped you understand your cat's heart just a little bit better, tap like, subscribe to Cat Class, and tell us in the comments, which act of love does your cat respond to most? Because love doesn't always meow. Sometimes it just purrs back.